Welcome back, guys, to another video, and today we're at, well, you can see what we're looking at. Loads of old steam trains. That haven't been used for a long time. Incredible to see. Don't look like proper steam trains though, because the rails look tiny. Looks like they do them up and then maybe try to get them back into reasonable condition. Let's try getting up here. Wow, check this. Old carriage. Some very old locomotive. This one. Piles and piles of track, and just sat on the piles of track. Sold. Oh, got a double cab type bit here. Mad. Not something you see every day. Wow. Well, that sign there makes me think this one English. Another steam train there. Or part of one anyway. Crazy to see. If anyone does know what these steam trains or model make, let me know down below. Because I have no clue. And this one don't actually look that bad. Inside has been boarded off. Preserve it the best they can. Mental. Make sure you smash that like button, guys. Give it a share. Subscribe if you're new. Wow. Smoking carriage. Got another train, another shed. I think that's a crane. Oh, look at that. Looks American or something like that. Like said, guys, if anyone does know what they are, let me know. Not actually bad in there. Some of them are just full of wood and scrap, like that one. Absolutely crap inside. This one's literally just full of wood, look. Yeah, this one's got a seat. Incredible. Some people have car collections, other people have got train collections. This one beats cars though.